This is a pole with a Andy Sin tripod, and it's singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. If it falls down, I'm going to have damage to whatever I got on top. So let me put this to the side and show you what I have here. It opens up to about 6 feet. Got a nice wide stand that I can lock into place. And in the pocket is DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I don't need to be that tall. I need it to be right about here, eye level. And I am doing a review. So we're going to set it up. Not going to fall. This one here is going to fall. I hope you find the right gear for you. And just an extension pole with a tripod, or a light, a ring light that your smartphone goes on, like so. Inexpensive, does the trick for me. Thank you for viewing. Oh man, you couldn't make that work any more perfect than it was. Get yourself the right tripod. Even though this is metal and that's plastic, that's the winner.